Geographic Technologies Group, in conjunction with Teleworks, is pleased to offer GeoAlert, a state-of-the-art reverse calling application that will meet the needs of local government organizations nationwide. GeoAlert works by identifying given areas, locating the contacts within those areas, and notifying the contacts of any natural disaster or man-made emergency, such as pipe breaks, chemical spills, etc. The user can do this by using one of three methods. The first method is to perform a predefined query against a given GIS dataset, such as an address layer. The application will pull contact information associated with the layer that meets the requirements defined by the search. The second method is to perform a spatial selection by placing a point or drawing a rectangle or polygon around an area on the mapping interface. The application will then retrieve contact information associated with the selected area. The third method for selecting contact information is by using the plume analysis tool. This tool is based off of the National Emergency Response Guidelines for defining isolation zones of chemical contaminants. These isolation zones can then be used as the selection area. The contact information returned from these selection options may include landlines, cell phones, email addresses, as well as fax numbers. Once the contacts are selected, the user can initiate the contact process by verifying their username and password. The user can then select the message they wish to provide to the selected contacts, as well as any other list of predefined contacts. When choosing the contact message, the user can select either a recorded voice message or text-to-speech. Once the contact process is initiated, the user can track the progress of the calling process. Not only can GeoAlert contact citizens within a given area, but it has the ability to isolate or expand a search as much as necessary. For example, if an emergency only affects water customers within an area, there is no need to contact those who do not use public water. The search can be narrowed down even more by contacting only schools or hospitals, for example. The GeoAlert application can be used for public safety purposes in the event of a natural disaster or man-made emergency. Previously, police officers would go door to door, notifying residents and businesses of the situation. This process could be extremely time-consuming, putting citizens at risk as time went by. With GeoAlert, thousands of citizens can be notified of an emergency in a very short amount of time. Saving time with GeoAlert can save lives. For example, residents can be notified immediately if a hurricane or tornado is approaching their home, giving them plenty of time to retreat to a safe place or evacuate before disaster strikes. GeoAlert is also ideal for notifications related to public works. For example, if there is a water main break and residents are required to boil their tap water due to contaminants, citizens could become extremely ill if not notified immediately of the risks. The following is an example of an emergency notification call that can be dispersed to the public.
This is a test of the GTG Intelworks integration. This is only a test. This is a message from the city of Puncoast. There is a wildfire burning within the city of Puncoast. The fire is spreading west. Homes and structures west of Interstate 95 are in the immediate path of the fire. As of 2:30 p.m. there is a mandatory evacuation notice for the affected area. Please listen to the radio or watch the local news for further information. Shelters are set up at the Puncoast Community Center and the Armory. This is a test of the GTG Intelworks integration. This is only a test.
GeoAlert provides a clear return on investment, saving valuable time during situations where lives are potentially at risk. For more information on GeoAlert, call GTG's GIS Applications Experts at 888-757-4222 or visit us on the web at www.geotg.com.